Guys, today we are going to be drilling right directly through this brick wall to mount these adhesive mounted hooks so that we can put our pots and pans on the wall in a more secure way than they are right now. So you've got a brick wall inside your house and you want to hang something on it, like these heavy pots and pans that I have hung right on this brick wall. People ask this all the time, is that just for decor? Is it just for looks? Or do you actually use these? No, we use them every single day. These are our pots and pans that we use, and look, they hang on these heavy duty hooks. These are adhesive hooks that I got from Amazon. They were just stick on and they stuck onto the brick wall. But guess what? Of course, with the warm weather, the adhesive warmed up a little bit and those heavy pots just fell right off. They marred our little cabinet here that I built. So I decided that I needed to drill holes through those hooks, holes through the brick wall, into the drywall, and mount them with secure snap toggle bolts. I used my drill and I used my carbide masonry bits from Milwaukee. Let me just show you these guys. This is what you want to use. Let me show you exactly what I did. I love it. You're going to love it too. Also, this little chocolate chip cookie making station, we just put kind of in 4 bins here some of the ingredients that we use the most often. We've got sugar, we have rice, we have flour, and we have chocolate chips. Our family loves to make cookies. So we decided, man, we use these all the time. Rather than keeping them in the pantry and pulling them out, we're just going to keep them kind of on display and just out in the open right there for us to grab and to use. But one of my favorite things to do is to just clean up this area and refill those containers so that they look perfect and they have brand new ingredients. So let's get to that too. Okay, so we've got all of our little hooks here, and what I need to do is put a hole big enough in the top of these that this snap toggle bolt can go right through the top of it, and it can anchor this right into that brick wall. I have my drill bit here for metal. What I'll do is kind of put this on the edge of my workbench like this, and probably use a couple clamps to sort of hold it in place while I drill it. Wish me luck. Let's do that 5 more times.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay, so we're installing this hook here. What we're going to do is first mark it right there so we know where to drill. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to use a step method. So we're going to start out with these carbide bits. This one is like a 1/8 bit, and this will be a pilot hole. So I can feel that go right through the brick, the adhesive, the drywall. Now I'll do a 3/8 to step it up on our way to 1/2. Okay, finally, we'll do our 1/2 inch bit. Okay, so that is done. And now the final thing we're going to do is we're gonna slip this snap toggle bolt, and I just love these things. They say that they can hold up to 212 pounds. They'll be perfect for these pots and pans. So we just push this through the 1/2 inch hole, and then I can feel it snap back into place. It anchors itself against that drywall on the other side of it, and we just pull it. The official term is scrunch. We scrunch up that outside washer, and then we snap off the plastic. The plastic is threaded just perfect for this screw. So we push our screw through our hook that we're anchoring into this brick behind this drywall. I've started to thread it by hand, and then we'll just do the rest of it with our big screwdriver. There we are. Now let's do the rest of them. how you anchor something, a strong and sturdy hook, into a brick wall. This is one of my favorite projects. Fun brick wall, beautiful herringbone pattern, statement wall, and yeah, we put our pots and pans right up there. It's right off the kitchen. It's so convenient. You just pull the pot off the wall, you use it, dry it, put it right back up there. I love it. You're going to love it too.